Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and just now scroll with your finger to the additional settings. Go here and right now you'll see the button shortcuts. Tap on this section and here you can see this take a screenshot section. Tap here and for example we can choose the slide with 3 fingers down, and now we'll check that. As can you see, you can send this screenshot for example, or you can delete it or save it. Also you can change that. So for example I'll save that. Also I think that you can then find this screenshot in your gallery, in your photos. Also you can here just select the with longer press to the home button, as can you see, to the press button, the menu button, and to the back button. So we don't use the buttons here on the right side of our phone. For example, we'll choose the slide with 3 fingers, and now I think you can have and find this in your gallery. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.